My name is Shubhi Vohra. I belong to Delhi and I have done my PGDM ExP course from IMT Ghaziabad last year in 2020. And now I'm working with Accenture as a tech strategy and advisory consultant. And the reason why I was able to crack this role is because of multiple reasons. The first and the foremost reason that I would like to tell you guys, because of the rich and industry curriculum that IMT has, case-based approach that we follow here in IMT, immense peer learning, the kind of exposure that I got from my batchmates because they are coming from diverse background. And we also have a mentor-mentee program, and we have a designated term for international immersion. So there we have got a different industry and CIM level exposure. PGDM ExP program is especially for those candidates who would like to have a career acceleration, and not only that, who would like to fill the knowledge gaps and break the ceiling. I would highly recommend all the working professionals who are looking forward for a career boost to join this PGDM ExP program at IMT Ghaziabad. This will also help them in climbing up the ladder and position themselves for middle level to senior management roles in corporate.